mboga na nini?
This is like this rom-com song, and then she's walking out, but she just started her new life.
Unaona kadem tu kakidance hapo, she's very happy kicking her legs.
Yes.
It's a very funny video. Wakati unanitafuta na una pesa, unanikimbia na rafiki na kukimbia. You're my time, lakini just for money first. Nobody keeps music on their phones anymore, right? I need to clean the room.
How do you clean it?
Na mafuta.
Like mafuta ya kupika?